बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल माना जाता है। ऐसे में देश में चल रही विवादों पर इनके क्या राय है, यह जानने के लिए भी फैंस इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं। लेकिन कई स्टार्स ऐसे हैं जो कभी खुलकर बात ही नहीं करते पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज पर, और इस पर कई बार बवाल भी मचा है। तो चलिए आज हम आपको यू वोंट बिलीव में बताते हैं उन स्टार्स के बारे में जिन्होंने देश के इश्यूज पर कमेंट करने से कर दिया इनकार।
कुलभूषण जाधव की रिहाई को लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं। आप लोग कमेंट करना चाहेंगे? कुलभूषण जाधव जो कि पाकिस्तान की जेल में जिनको डेथ पेनल्टी सेंटेंस की गई है, उसको लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी बातें की जा रही हैं। आप लोग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
जहां हम जिस बात करने आए हैं अभी ये टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना एक्चुअली करेक्ट नहीं होगा।
And off late, आपकी जो on screen chemistry.
1 minute. I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest. Yes. And I think.
But I think somebody should not give his or her opinion if he or she is not like very well informed about the topic because it is a sensitive thing. So you need to be very
National interest thing.
Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to
Let me finish what I want to say. Then you have your say. I'm saying that question was of national interest. All you had to do as Indians was to condemn what Pakistan is doing or not condemn it if you.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So
Now, ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it.
So you don't know about this hanging the.
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you like few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you like questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers?
First and foremost, I'm not a public figure.
So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about.
I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between us.
but let's
You could have said
yes.
it. Any of you on stage could have said
No, we
it. You need to duck something of national interest.
Sir, in the past, sir, now Bollywood has divided into two sections, and one is supporting Pak artists working in India, and others.
सर मेरे हाथ जोड़ के आपसे प्रार्थना है. This is not the time.
So we need your advice.
Just 1 minute. This is not the time, and I don't think it is right to put forward these questions. Who said what, why, where, how. This is not the time for it. It is the time for us. The nation is incensed. We all know that. The people of this country are very angry by the incidents that have been happening at our borders. I think it's the time to show solidarity towards our Jawans and our armed forces who are sacrificing their life so that you and me can be safe here. That's what needs to be put into question, nothing else.
I want to know, what do you think about the death sentence given to Kulbhushan Yadav by Pakistan? Do you condemn this?
I really feel, I think I am the least important and least worthy to comment on this, genuinely. Our government is on it. They are dealing with it the way they should, and they will do what's absolutely best for the country, for the person involved, and I don't think my opinion matters, so I don't want to give it. Thanks. Again, to each his own, yeah. I feel, we are actors, and we are actors because we love acting and we love entertaining you guys and we love to be in films. But just because our voices reach the whole country, I don't think you can suddenly force me to have an interest or opinion in something that does not concern me. If I'm genuinely a sports enthusiast, I will comment on something that is happening in tennis, for example. But if I don't have the knowledge or I don't have the interest, then I shouldn't be forced to give an opinion just because I'm in front of you. That's what I personally feel. And those who want to comment, comment. Those who don't want to comment, don't comment. It is a democracy, but I think we're forgetting that.
दारू के एक बयान पे बहुत पॉलिटिकल बैशिंग मिली है we are coming for मामी ना we are coming for मामी ना मामी की बात करो ना this is not the forum for all those kind of things. If I'm doing one-on-one with you, if you give me time for this, then I can speak to you on that. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगा, आप कुछ समझोगे, कुछ लिखोगे, कोई और कुछ उठा लेगा. Why you want to do all that stuff? Why do you want me to sponsor your channel and stuff like that? Let it be ना. थोड़ा सा ये dull face चलने दो. थोड़ा सा. I'll give you that मौका आगे फिर से. But right now, just go through the dull face right now.
Sir, we'll come to Mami. आपको लगता है कि बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी को
मामी.
Sir, we'll come to Mami के बारे में. Sir, 24 artists have given their
I think रणबीर कपूर was telling somebody कि मेरे घर में तो बिजली पानी आता है, मैं क्यों पॉलिटिक्स से, so how ये देश ने आप उस देश की वजह से आपका घर है, ये देशवासियों का ही पैसा है जो जिससे करके आप मर्सिडीज में बैठते हैं. How can you talk like that?
नहीं, मैं जो भी कोई मुझसे कोई सवाल पूछता है मैं हमेशा जवाब देता हूँ. बट मुझे इन सब चीज़ों इन सब क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है, ना इंटरेस्ट है. लोग जो कहना चाहते हैं मेरे बारे में कह सकते हैं. आई नो हु आई एम, आई नो व्हाट आई से. या
मगर क्या मैं एक ऐसी युवती हूँ कि जो देश में हो रही चीज़ों से कुछ ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं मैं जानती हूँ. आई थिंक इसका मैं इंटरव्यू देख रही थी, आई थिंक विद अनुपमा, देयर वाज रणवीर और आलिया और समबडी लाइक दैट, जो कहते हैं कि हम पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में क्यों बोले, हमने क्या किया, हमने कुछ नहीं किया. सो ऐसे नहीं चलता. यू हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
हाल ही में मतलब कंगना ने कहा था कि देयर आर एक्टर्स who fear voicing their political opinion. She named you also. So what's your opinion on that?
Listen, I definitely don't have that ability to speak as candidly as Kangana does, and I really, really respect her for that. And maybe in a way she's right that sometimes we do hold back, क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते कि, or maybe that you feel like कि क्यों खामखा बोलना. My dad always says कि there are already so many opinions in the world can do with one less opinion. So I have an opinion, but I'll keep it to myself. But kudos to her because she genuinely speaks really well.
तो इनमें से किस स्टार की बात लगी आपको सबसे शॉकिंग, हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं. ऑल्सो डू लाइक, फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू बॉलीवुड नाउ ऑन Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.